Hi family, make this yam pizza with me. It's not every time you have to be eating boring food. My water is already boiled. I went in with my groundnut oil, added my shredded yam, allow it to boil for like 10 minutes. And this was it when I was sieving it out, draining it inside the stew. And these are all my ingredients I'm making use of. I went in with my yam, added my yellow bell pepper, my red bell pepper, my green bell pepper, the hot dog. Then I put in my pepper, add in the milk, and brought in my seasoning, added my egg, then I mix it all together. This was the outcome of it. I placed in my groundnut oil. When it was a little bit fried, I put in the mixture on the fire, allow it to cook, then I flip it to fry the other side. And this was it when it was done. I hope this video was helpful. What we'll be pairing this with. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next one.